Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to another fresh video of Asha Talks. So in this video I am going to tell you what is the difference between this TCS Ninja and TCS Digital. So many of the candidates are having doubt between this, like what is TCS Digital and what is TCS Ninja. So I will talk about everything that you need to know about TCS Ninja and TCS Digital. I will explain to you everything through a PPT. Okay, so please watch the video till the end, and if you like my video and if you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up so I can make more this kind of videos for all of you candidates. Okay, so here you can see on the screen I have made a presentation for all of you candidates. You can see on the screen TCS Ninja hiring process. Okay, so we will discuss about TCS Ninja hiring process and what is the difference between TCS Ninja versus TCS Digital. Okay, so from salary package, what is the salary of TCS Ninja, what is the salary of TCS Digital, how you can get into TCS Ninja, how you can get into TCS Digital, what is the interview process. I will tell you about everything. I will explain all the recruitment process to all of the you candidates. Okay, so you can see on the screen it is our PPT. So next, let's go to next slide. Here you can see on the screen, second slide is, first of all, the first thing is apply through TCS Next Step portal. Okay, for both of the things, like for TCS Digital and TCS Ninja, you have to apply through TCS Next Step portal. So I have made a special video how you can apply through TCS Next Step portal. So you can find that link in video link in description and in I button also. So don't forget to check that out. Okay, so you have to first of all apply through TCS Next Step portal. After applying through TCS Next Step portal, second step is take the test. Okay, so you have applied through TCS Next Step portal. Now you have to take the test. Okay, like similarly like NQT, you have to take the test of TCS Ninja. Okay, so you take the test, and after taking test you will get a result. Okay, so after 15 to 20 days you will get result, like you are selected or you are not selected. Okay, so if you are selected, then you will be in the list of shortlisted candidate. Here you can see on the screen, if you are selected, then you are shortlisted candidate. If you are not selected, then you are rejected, then you are out of the match. Okay, so if you are shortlisted candidate, there are two possibilities. Like if you are a topper candidate, like from the shortlisted candidates 10% candidates are the topper candidates. Okay, so 10% are the topper candidates and the remaining are in the others list. Okay, so if you are a topper candidate, you get chance to give TCS Digital exam. Okay, so this exam will be more tough than the TCS Ninja exam, like this test. Okay, this will be more tough. Okay, and the interview will be more tough than the normal interview from TCS Ninja exam. Okay, so here you can see, if you are a topper, you get to give TCS Digital exam. Okay, and if you are not a topper, if you are from remaining 90% candidates who are shortlisted, then you have to give Ninja interview. Okay, so the thing is, you give the test, you are shortlisted, and you are not a topper candidate, then you have to give Ninja interview directly. Okay, you have qualified the test, then you have to give Ninja interview. That will include TR round, MR round, HR round. Okay, and if you give TCS Digital exam, if you are a topper candidate and you give TCS Digital exam, then you will get a result, okay, of TCS Digital exam. If you have qualified for the TCS Digital exam, you have qualified TCS Digital exam, then you will go to interview. Okay, but if you are not qualified, here you can see, if you have given TCS Digital exam but you have not qualified, then you will give Ninja interview. Okay, so there are high chances, if once you are shortlisted, then your selection is selection chances is most. Okay, but you have to crack the interview also. Okay, so here you can see, if you are a topper candidate, then you have to give TCS Digital exam, and if you have cleared the TCS Digital exam, then here you can see you have to give TCS Digital interview. So if you given TCS Digital interview, then there are also two probabilities. Like if you qualify, if you clear the TCS Digital interview, you will get a digital role offer. Here you can see on the screen. Okay, so if you not qualified the digital role, you will get a Ninja role offer. So there are two opportunities, like Ninja role, then if Ninja role is the basic role, and above that there is a digital role. Okay, so you have to clear Ninja role first of all. Ninja test, you have to clear the Ninja test, then only you can give TCS Digital exam. Then you have to clear TCS Digital exam. After that you have to give TCS Digital interview, and after clearing the interview you will get a digital role offer. But if you fail to clear TCS Digital exam, or if you fail to clear TCS digital interview, then you will get a TCS Ninja role offer. Okay, I hope you understood what I have explained to you. And here you can see it is a salary structure mentioned. Like if you clear the TCS Ninja, you will get a salary of 3.36 to 3.6 LPA. But if you have cleared the TCS digital, you will get a salary of 7 LPA. That is almost double of the TCS Ninja salary. So this is an amazing opportunity for all of the 2022 batch candidates. So if you study hard, okay, so there is enough time, more than 1.5 month are remaining for the exam. So if you start preparing from now, and if you give more time to the preparation, to the coding, to aptitude, okay, if you prepare well, you have a great chance that you will clear the TCS digital exam also, and you can get a 7 LPA salary, which is an amazing salary. In TCS digital you will get up to like 50,000 per month of salary, okay, from 7 LPA package. I hope you understood what I have explained to you. Now here you can see basic difference between TCS Ninja and TCS digital. So what are the basic difference? The first difference is digital salary package is higher. As I have mentioned that if the TCS digital salary is 7 LP approximately, whereas Ninja salary package is lesser, that is 3.3 to 3.6 LPA. Now the next point is difference in the work that will be assigned to digital and the Ninja candidate once they get selected. Obviously, if you are selected for digital category, like if you are getting higher salary, you have to work, you will get different work, and if you are selected for less package, you will get different work. Okay, so this is the thing, difference in work will be also there. And the last point is difficulty level of exam and interview. As I have told you, once you will clear the TCS Ninja exam, then only you will get to give TCS digital exam. Okay, so difficulty level of the TCS digital exam obviously will be higher, will be more difficult than TCS Ninja, and also the interview will be higher because your salary package is higher. Then obviously you like the exam and interview difficulty level is higher for both, for the exam. Okay, I hope all of the points I have discussed now, all of the point have clear to you. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section below. I will definitely try to reply them. And if you find this video informative, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now the last point is TCS test pattern for TCS Ninja hiring. Okay, as you all know, for TCS Ninja and TCS hiring, for TCS Ninja and TCS Digital, you have to give exam. So what is the pattern? I will make a detailed descriptive next video. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. But in short, I will explain you. Okay, so here you can see, first of all, there will be a numerical ability section of 40 minutes. This is for TCS Ninja hiring. And the second is verbal ability for 30 minutes and reasoning ability for 50 minutes. So this is a cognitive skills part A, and the second part is programming skills that will consider programming logic and hands-on coding. So there will be 2 part in the programming and there will be 3 part in cognitive. Cognitive part will be of 120 minutes and the programming part will be of 60 minutes. So total duration of the exam will be 180 minutes. Okay, so this is the pattern of TCS Ninja hiring. So I suggest you all to give time to the TCS digital, so you can clear the TCS digital exam. This is one time opportunity. If you clear the TCS Ninja hiring, then you have to clear the TCS digital hiring and you will get a package of almost double. So I suggest you to prepare hard, work hard for the exam, and definitely you will clear the exam. I will assess you throughout the exam, like how you can clear the exam, how to prepare for the exam, what are the resources, what is the syllabus. I will explain everything in details in the next upcoming videos. So please watch our videos regularly. I hope you understood what I have explained to you. Thanks for watching our video.